What's up, guys? So we are going to be installing this ship's wheel in the indoor treehouse. So I got this on Amazon. I think it's mostly meant for just like a decoration on the wall. However, we're gonna make it work in our treehouse. So the hardware that I bought, I went to Ace. Got some weird looks carrying this into Ace, you know. But I found what I needed. So first of all, I got a 5-inch little connector. This is all in the plumbing section. So it's just a steel pipe with the threads on both sides, if you can see that. So the threads are on both sides. Just a steel pipe. It's a 1/2 inch. So it fits in there pretty well. Just a little bit, just moves a little bit too much. So what I bought this little copper fitting. It ended up to being just the right size so that this fit right into there. And then this fits right into here and just, you know, makes it nice and snug. And then this goes into there so it'll turn real nice. So that's what I got for that. And then I just bought 2 of these caps, just 1/2 inch caps that will fit onto each end of this steel pipe. And that's how I'll be mounting it on. So stick around and see how I do it. And now for the most difficult part of the whole project is removing the sticker. This was very time consuming. It should have been a little easier than this.